What's going on, YouTube? Today we are going to be reacting to tutorials with no views. This happens to be my boy, one of the Tune 45's very own educators, who started ramping up on his YouTube channel, and his last video hasn't even broken 100 views yet, which is not cool. And he hasn't even broken 1,000 subscribers yet, which is not cool. We're gonna react to his video. We're gonna see what he bringing to the YouTube game, and you guys let me know what you think. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get started and watch my dog BonezDaGoat. This is the video right here that we're gonna watch, and it looks like the first two texts that he dropped was ethnic, tight, curly hair, and now we doing scissor work, doing some scissor work. Let's see what my dog got. What in the world?
What's up? What's going on with y'all?
Look at my guy's glasses. I feel like you could cause a car accident. Reflection or the distraction of those.
This next video for me, man, is like, it's very big. This haircut to me is deeper than me cutting or giving my boy a good cut, you know, or bringing him back to life. This is a really close friend of mine, somebody who I can really depend on for anything. And my boy ended up catching COVID. It was such a crazy time for me because I had just lost, like, I've been cutting hair for 13 years. And the first time I ever had a client pass on me was literally a week and a half before I found out that my good friend Berto caught COVID. The next thing he's telling me is that he's got to go to the hospital because he can't breathe. And I called him. I remember I FaceTimed him, and he had the oxygen mask. He had the tubes down his nose and his mouth. Couldn't even speak. And I remember just getting off the phone and just like breaking down crying, because like, damn, like, I'm about to lose another, I can possibly lose another close friend within a matter of a month. I would text him every single day, all day, sending him, you know, some of my favorite gospel songs, sending him prayers and stuff like that. I even put up a post on my Instagram and sent it to all my friends for everybody to just send him some encouraging words. It worked, and he would hit me up. He's like, bro, I really appreciate it. You never really know who your friends are until, you know, moments like that. You know what I'm saying? And on my perspective, you never know how much you care for somebody until they're in situations like that. And so if you have a loved one that's, you know, that's going through it, or just in general, you know, just keep them close, man. Show them love. So my boy ended up beating COVID, getting out. This is his first haircut that he got, and I remember him telling me when he was finally able to talk, he called me. He's like, bro, I can't wait to get out so I can come through and get a cut because I look crazy right now.
That's the first thing everybody wants.
So this haircut means so much to me because it was like, I finally got to see my friend. I was able to make him feel better about himself, and, you know, I'm able to give you guys some great content. So if you like it, you know, you like the cut, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know, turn those notifications on, because we coming with bangers, man. I promise you. Peace.
Look at the intro. Hey, the intro legit.
YouTube, what's going on?
Yeah, he looked like he been through it.
Back in the building.
Yo, look at Bone's shop in the background. This is his shop. He got a really unique, dope looking shop. But yeah.
Berto is looking rough right now. If you tuned into the first 2-minute clips of this video, you would have heard the backstory to this haircut and the reason why it's called the COVID cut. My boy, my good friend Berto right here, was in the hospital for almost 3 weeks with COVID, and it was so bad. I feel like that's when you really find out who a friend is when, you know, when you really need them, when you're down on your luck, not when things are going good, but when you're at your worst. That's when the people who truly care about you in life tend to show their faces more so than others.
Okay, my dog's shit work clean.
That we're doing on my boy Berto today is a skin fade crop with the rounded sides. I didn't want to do the box side, the squared off sides on him too much, just because, you know, I'm trying to follow the shape of his head. I feel like the rounded sides fit the shape of his head a lot better. I make my face rather tight, about an inch and a half is gonna be about as the fading area. Right now I'm just creating texture, just cross cutting right now for when he styles his haircut at the end. My gamma trimmers, and just start establishing that bald line on the fade. Hair texture is really straight, so, you know, I don't really have to dig too much. Me pulling out my hitters to remove the bulk or establish a skin line is kind of unnecessary. it really doesn't need to be done, just because like these trimmers make it look like I hit him with a razor.
Which ones are those? Those are the hitters, I think. The gamma hitters. Or those ain't the ergos, are they? I can't tell from this angle. Yo, is that me in the background? Yo, my dog really be putting me on in the shop. Yeah, I love you, Bones. Appreciate that. That is hilarious, bro. That's one thing I know about Bones, man. He pushes his whole team to be well diverse and be able to cut every hair texture. That's one thing I know about Bones too, man. He's one of the best when it comes to like really condensed blends. Like he said in this video, it's not for everybody, but you know, if it's your preference, Bones is the guy to go to. And on some people, it actually looks the best on them, you know. What clippers is he using? He's using the ergos, gamma ergos. Yo, Bones, your barber in the background using the corded detailers. Damn, I'm about to ship some cordless ones with a power clip or something. So now he's at, I think, just the blade open now. And then the half guard. This is where he's gonna do most of the blending, I feel like, to make this condensed blend come together. I feel like with condensed blends though, you gotta detail a lot more because it's difficult. It's not easy. From a distance, like Bones was saying, it's gonna look bulky, but then when you come up close, that's when you know it's executed correctly. When you come up close and it looks blended, no lines, yeah, it's coming together now. Yeah, that shit looking blurry. I don't know why I can't help but to look at the art. Alright, my dog about to using the Sean Cuts hair color card. Dog Phil in the background. You can tell that's like his color enhancement trimmer. You got fingerprints on that clipper from color enhancement. Yo, Bones' shop is packed, man. Look like every chair is full. Love to see it. What's he putting in there? Sea salt? Look like sea salt spray. Is he gonna give him an accent piece? Nope, no accent piece. So that's the before. Now let's check out the after. Bro, what a transformation, bro. Bones, you killed that, bro. You killed that crop. Absolutely killed it. What a transformation, huh? Dude was definitely looked like he been through it, and that's why people, first thing they think about, man, is that haircut, bro. first thing they think about is that haircut, man. Like, people want to get home and look themselves again. You feel me? So let's look at the comments. There's a couple comments here. Too fresh. How you got my boy Chris Basio cutting on the TV? That's dope. Hey, they noticed. They noticed. Dope cut, my G. Glad you made it through more life. That's dope, man. Listen, guys, this is BonezDaGoat. This is an amazing person, amazing educator, part of the 245 Academy. If you didn't know, make sure, look, he's at 882 subscribers. Can we break 1,000? Can we break 1,000? My dog break 1,000? Do me a favor, guys, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to him already, there will be a link in the description below. He goes by the name BonezDaGoat. Let's support all these YouTubers putting out amazing content. He has a lot to offer as a shop owner, as a long-time educator, platform artist, all that good stuff. Like, he was the face of Oster for a little bit before they start changing their management and all that stuff. That's a long story. But make sure you subscribe to my dog, man. He's very diverse. You can cut every texture of hair, so I'm looking forward to seeing more of his content.